Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a tutorial using the Modern Renaissance palette. I don't know why it took me so long to get this palette. The colors in here are amazing. These are some pretty colors. Especially with Valentine's Day right around the corner. I mean, these are colors that make me think of Valentine's Day. I played around with just a few of the shades, and this is the look that I came up with, so this is the look that I'm going to be doing today. You know what I'm gonna say? If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. I would love for you to take this makeup journey with me, and if you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. So, if you're interested to see how I got this look and chat a little bit after, then stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to start by priming my face, and I'm actually going to use this new little one that I picked up. It's the Professional Pearl Primer. It's just a little travel size that I picked up at Sephora. I really wanted to try this one out. It's oil-free, lightweight, silky, soft pink. I was really interested because it said Pearl Primer, so I'm all about anything that's going to make my skin glow. So I'm just going to use a little bit and then put it on my face. Feels good, smells good. See how it works. Today I'm using the YSL All Hours foundation. I love this foundation, but $58, I don't know. If you're interested, the color I am using is BD30. I'm just gonna apply this with my crown brush, so let's do that. Now that I have the foundation on, I'm going to conceal my brown spots, and I'm just using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I love this concealer. I mean, if you guys have any recommendations, I'm all for it, but I like it. I'm going to highlight under my eyes using a new product. This is the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline, and it's the Eraser Dark Circles Treatment Concealer. That's a mouthful. So I haven't even opened it, so this should be interesting. I heard some really good things about this concealer, so I'm excited to try it. Every time I went to my drugstore, they just didn't have the right color, and then finally they did, so I swooped it up. Okay, so how do you do this? All right, so you just twist. It's not, oh, there we go, hello. Okay. So let's just put it under my eyes and see what happens. Oh! I'm gonna try to use the brush first, or this little sponge applicator, but I don't think I'm gonna like it. We'll just try it. Nope, nope, nope. Okay. Since I didn't like the applicator and I knew that I wasn't going to, I'm just gonna use my crown brush and then I'll just buff it out underneath my eyes. Okay, I'm not mad at it. I mean, I like the way that it blended. I'm definitely going to give it a couple more tries, especially since my skin is actually a little bit patchy right now because I've been doing the micro needling. My skin is a little flaky. I'm going to keep using it, and I'll let you guys know. I'm going to set underneath my eyes with this Laura Mercier brightening powder, and it's for underneath your eyes. I think I got it in my birthday gift from Sephora, and I haven't even used it. So we're gonna see what happens. I'm going to set the rest of my face using the Maybelline Master Fix. Because my skin is kind of flaky right now, I'm just gonna use ever so little. I'm going to use my Park Avenue Princess by Tarte bronzer. It's a nice little matte bronzer, and I'm going to use my Morphe M530 brush and just do a little contour. Now I am going to use my Tarte blush in the color Blissful. It's like a nice pink color, and just put that on the apples of my cheek. Oh, and I'm using my e.l.f. brush. Trying to get used to it. Definitely. Now that I have my blush on, I'm going to highlight a little bit on my cheekbones. I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette today, so I just thought I would use the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit. I'm gonna use Starburst right here. Can we just say glowy? Now that I have most of my face on, I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera because, like I said in the last video, I mean, you guys don't want to see me do my eyebrows again. I mean, unless you do, then I totally will, but I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I'm going to take care of these bad boys off camera. I'll be back. Okay, eyebrows done. It's amazing. Honestly, it's amazing what eyebrows can do. Yeah, it is. Okay, for the fun part. I am going to start with this color right here, and it's called Burnt Orange. And I'm just going to put that in my crease as my transition color. I'm using the Crown C511. I really do love this blending brush. I love to use it to get into my crease. It's just small enough to get in the crease, but then it's fluffy enough to really blend out those edges. Now I'm going to put Love Letter right over Burnt Orange. And I'm just going to use the same brush. Now I'm going in with the old MAC brush and going to that same color Love Letter and just going over the edges. Now I'm going to take my trusty blending brush and just buff out the edges. Now I'm going to add this color Vermeer, and I'm just going to use my ring finger and I'm going to put it on the middle of my lid. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the old MAC brush and I'm just going to blend the sides together. So, I may regret this, but I'm not going to know if I don't try it. I'm going to attempt this color liner. In my mind, it makes sense and it goes, but that's not always the case. So we shall see. I'm going to throw on the liner and some lashes and then I will be right back. I'm back. You can't really see the liner right here, but I actually like the way that it turned out. That's really what makeup is all about. I mean, you gotta try it to find out if you're gonna like it. So I'm glad that I did it, because now I know it'll look good. On my lips, I have the e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick in the color Wine Tour. I really do like it. I love, love, love the applicator because it has a pointy tip, so it definitely makes it easy to apply without liner. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Take care.